In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand an image in Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, expanding an image is a fantastic skill to add to your editing toolkit. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this efficiently using Adobe Photoshop, one of the most powerful tools in the realm of digital image editing. When you first open Photoshop, you'll begin by adding your image to the workspace. This is your canvas, and from here we'll start crafting. You'll need to have the image you want to work on ready. Simply drag and drop your image onto the Photoshop window or use the File and Open dialog to navigate to it. Now, focusing on your image, you need to select the subject. This is an important step because the subject forms the focus of the image that we don't want to distort or alter while modifying the background. Use any of the selection tools available in the toolbar on the left, such as the Quick Selection tool, Magic Wand tool, or any tool you prefer to outline your subject carefully. A little trick here is to zoom in for finer details, ensuring that your selection is as precise as possible. After selecting the subject, make a copy of it. This step protects your original by allowing you to work non-destructively. To do this, simply right-click on the selected area, navigate to Layer via Copy in the context menu, and voila, you now have a duplicate layer of just your subject, ready for any further adjustments. Once the subject is copied, it's time to expand your selection. Click on the Select menu at the top, choose Modify, and then Expand. Set the value to 12 pixels. Expanding the selection by about 12 pixels creates a little bit of a buffer zone around your subject, which can be very helpful for blending background changes smoothly. Next, right-click to bring up the context menu and look for the option to fill the generated space. This is where you use the Content-Aware Fill feature, which is one of Photoshop's most powerful and intuitive tools. It automatically fills in the gaps using surrounding pixels, which helps maintain a natural look. This step ensures that any new background area blends seamlessly with the existing image without any awkward breaks or lines. Finally, you'll want to expand the background to maintain the overall harmony and balance of the image. With your subject secured and the selection expanded, simply transform your background layer by adjusting its width and height as needed. Be mindful of maintaining the aspect ratio to avoid distorting the image composition. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully expanded your image in Photoshop, enhancing its size while keeping its quality intact. Practice these techniques, and you'll find them becoming second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.